Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your partner onto the Honeydue application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you may use your email address as well as your security code in order to log in. Once you are inside the homepage, you will be taken into the activity page. Now, if you haven't already invited your partner, you will see the Invite Your Partner button within this page. You can tap on this and this will ask you to enter your partner's name. So just type in your partner's name followed by their email address and then tap on Send Invitation. This will now send an invitation email to your partner right away. After this, your partner will simply need to check their inbox and click on the link within. Once they have installed the application and accepted your invitation, you can now find them within the partner page. When you tap on Partner, you will find all of the details of your partner. After your invitation has been accepted, you can now begin to plan your budget together using the application, and you can also chat with each other from the chat page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your partner onto the Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.